This is Chris Downs for IMTS TV. I'm here in the West Hall with Jeff Rizzi. He's the Director of Digital Machining for Sandvik Coromant, and he's going to talk to us today about their Gold Innovation Award-winning product. Jeff, thanks for joining me. Could you tell me a little bit about who Sandvik is and what you guys do?
Yeah, Sandvik Coromant is basically we're the world's leading supplier of metal cutting tools and basically metal cutting know-how, right, Sure. into the industry.
And what kind of sets you apart from some of your other competitors?
Basically our focus on the machine shop, right? It's really about understanding the customer, understanding the customer needs when it comes to metal cutting, and being able to provide those, the solutions that address their pain points.
All right, and we're standing in front of the CoroPlus family of tools display here at IMTS 2018. Could you tell me a little bit about that product line?
Yeah, so the CoroPlus product line, it's basically a solution, it's a suite of digitally connected solutions, really, and it's designed to basically connect the value stream of a machine shop from design and planning all the way through kind of outbound logistics, essentially, right, into the machining, into the, into the verification stage.
And what's kind of the advantage that that's giving the customers?
The main advantage actually is to start to eliminate this waste, right, that happens in the machine shop. There's been a lot of work over the last, let's say, 20 years on kind of trying to bring down the, the actual metal cutting process. This is more about dealing with the waste, right, the inefficiencies that happen kind of in between the machining process, right, leading up, preparing work for the, for the machine to go out, for the job to go out on the machine tool, and then getting better utilization out of your machine tools.
Awesome, and we're very excited to announce here that your Silent Tools has won the Gold Innovation Award here at IMTS 2018 for exhibitor innovations. What does that mean to you guys?
It's fantastic. I mean, it's it's something that we introduced literally a couple of years ago, but now that it's kind of in full-fledged introduction and out in the shop, out in shops, we're really excited about it. It's a great innovation.
Great, and could you tell us a little bit about what it is and why it's so important for Sandvik Coromant?
Yeah, so what the Silent Tools Plus is it's a digitally enhanced version of our already successful Silent Tool program. So what we've done is we've added some sensors into this into the tool that allows us to get data directly from the tool while we're machining.
So how does that kind of fit into Sandvik Coromant's vision of the future of manufacturing, pulling all this data off of your tools?
Well, I mean, the main idea for us is that, until we actually understand what truly is happening with these cutting tools, we can't effectively deal with the problems that we might be having in a machining operation. So a product like this allows an operator to literally see what's happening with the cutting tool, maybe down in a real deep bore where before they had no real insight, no visibility in what was happening inside a bore. Now we have that through a sensor that they can have on a tablet or on machine control, which gives them now the insight to actually make the adjustments that need to be made.
Awesome, fantastic. Was there anything else down here at the Sandvik booth that you want to be sure your customers know about?
Yeah, I mean, I would say that anything in the booth is going to be exciting for them to see, but certainly come down, take a look at the CoroPlus area, because you'll be able to kind of get an idea how CoroPlus connects all the way through the value stream, right? From, as I said, from design and planning all the way into the outbound, into the verification and so forth, and in machining. We've got a new solution called Machining Insights that we've literally launched today. So that's another really interesting solution that I think that they need to come and see.
Can you tell us a little bit about that new launch that you guys, the Machining Insights?
Oh yeah, absolutely. So Machining Insights basically is a machine monitoring solution. It allows you to hook up your CNC machine tool and start pulling data directly from the CNC machine tool. Today, if you think about the way people understand if their machines are running, they're using maybe some sort of an andon light, right? Red and green stack lights on top of it. This actually allows you to actually get data directly from the machine tool, and really allows you to access maybe up to about 9,000 data points from a CNC machine.
That sounds fantastic. Well, thank you so much for joining me today, Jeff. If you guys want to learn anything else, be sure to come over to the West Hall, visit Sandvik Coromant. They're one of our Gold Innovation Award members here at IMTS 2018. And if you want more information, be sure to go to sandvik.coromant.com. This is Chris Downs with IMTS TV signing out.